In equity, you can essentially invest directly into stocks or via mutual funds. Now, what is equity basically? You are purchasing part ownership of any company. Now, if that company performs really well, the value of your part ownership will also increase. If the company does not perform well, the value of your part ownership will decrease. This hence becomes relatively riskier, and equity investments in itself are considered medium to high risk investments. Now, there are two ways: direct stocks or mutual funds. Now, when you invest via direct stocks, that is, you're going directly to the stock market and purchasing stocks. This is actually very it's a very cumbersome and a very extensive process. First, you have to find companies or find stocks which are fundamentally good. Then you have to ensure what price to buy it at. Then you have to sell it at the right price. Then you have to make that 7 to 10 companies from different sectors. So all in all, this is very tricky. Don't get into that initially in your career. If you're very enthusiastic about the stock market, then you should definitely. But if you're someone who wants a little easier approach, then direct stocks is not how you should go. Direct stocks will come a little later when you're more comfortable and you have more knowledge of the stock market. But what you should invest in and what you should start with is mutual funds. In a mutual fund manager will make all the decisions for you. There are a lot of mutual funds that are there. In this video, in this session, we will essentially talk about two different kinds of investing and a few categorization in that. Now, the mutual funds that I'll talk about here are mainly for long-term investing. For short-term investing, we'll discuss about that later. But all of these are for long-term, which is like more than 5 to 7 years. So when you invest in the mutual fund, there are two types of investing. First is passive investing. Second is active investing. Now, when you're investing passively, you are essentially investing in something where the mutual fund manager does not have to put a lot of his brain. So, आज अगर हमें इस market को track करना है, how do we track it? We track Sensex, or we see the Sensex or Nifty. These are broad market index. Sensex और Nifty में इंडिया के जो top 50 leading companies होते हैं, they are a part of Nifty and they periodically changed. So a mutual fund manager in a passive investing or an index fund will blindly copy all the indexes that are there. Now, because he's blindly copying, the management fees, which we call as expense ratio, will be low, and you will get a return which is at least equal to the return of the market. Now, if you will say कि यार इतना simple तो नहीं हो सकता, I mean, you're just copying the market. I am pretty sure if fund manager uses his brain, he will be able to generate a better return. If you see this, this is as of June 30, 2020. Now here, if you see the comparison index and the equity large cap. So this large cap is basically your actively managed fund where the mutual fund manager has made decision to actively pick stocks. This comparison index is the S&P BSE 100. Now, when you compare these, this index is something which is there in the market, and that is the benchmark. So when you compare these, the index which is there, 67% in a 10-year horizon, 67% of index funds or index actually outperformed the large cap mutual funds. So starting in an index fund, starting with your SIPs there is a very good first step. You are getting a return which is equivalent to the market, and the Nifty rolling return for the last 10 to 15 years has been 14%. Imagine your money compounding for 15 to 20 years at 14% year-on-year CAGR. That is a great return. And the thing is, with index fund, you can't go very wrong in selecting, because all index fund will have the same composition, which is the index it is referring. So Sensex, Nifty के जो funds होंगे, all of them will have the same companies. So that comes to index fund. Now, is it that सब पैसा index fund में ही डाल देना चाहिए? Actually, no. In India, there are still some opportunities. There are still some funds which beat the index fund or which beat the market return. Now, when you invest in an index fund, most of the companies that you're investing in are the top leading companies in India. So then when you categorize all the companies which are listed on the stock market according to their size, so say 10,000 crore companies, then 9,000 crore companies. ऐसे market cap उनका जो value है उसके हिसाब से बड़े से छोटे में when you classify, then the top 100 companies are essentially called as large cap companies. The 101st to 250th company is called the mid cap companies, and the 250s and the companies below 250 are small cap companies. Now, index fund, because they are top and leading, they will come in the first 100 companies only. So when you compare large cap and index fund, prefer index fund. But after the 100th company, there are a lot of smaller companies which have immense potential for growth. India is a growing economy. There's a lot of opportunities out there which you can actually benefit out of if you select the right fund. So this is where mid-cap and small-cap companies come into play. These are the companies which have a lot of growth potential, and these are the areas where, or these companies actually give that multi-bagger 10x, 20x return. Mid-cap companies relatively are less riskier because they are of a certain size, above, let's say, 6,000 or 8,000 crore market cap. So if a company has that value, then it is roughly safe to assume that uska business model has been proven, the financials are stable. Mid-cap companies here or mid-cap mutual funds are relatively less riskier and gives you great growth opportunity. Small-cap companies are a relatively more riskier than mid-cap, but they give you better return opportunities as well, but the risk is also higher. So according to your risk appetite, you can choose a mid-cap mutual fund or a small-cap mutual fund as your second mutual fund investment. You can also go for a multi-cap, which will invest in all three, large, mid, and small. But most of the multi-cap funds out there invest majorly into large cap funds. And like we just saw, index funds are better to invest in than large cap funds.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.